Hello guys, thank you. Very good evening to all of you. Do you know a quotation? A picture is thousand words. And when a picture is analyzed, when a picture is described, you have to uh, throw so many speech, so many sentence about that picture. That means there is no any uh, written statement there that this picture is it, this picture is that. You have to describe the picture on your own imagination, and that is the very best part of learning any language or in English. Here in MMDC, sometimes picture analysis is being done, and the benefit is that whenever you are analyzing a picture, you have to you have to depend on your own words, you have to depend on your own thinking, and there is no any summary of that picture written behind that picture. So you have to make use of your words which is hidden in your brain, and this is a very effective way of learning English. If you analyze the picture, you have to spend your own language, own imagination, own thought process, and whenever some spices or masala is given, it is uh, evident, it is clear, it is sometimes very difficult to understand some pictures, but if some masala is given there, some idea has been created in our mind. Oh, this is that sense. So in that way, learning English is becoming a very easiest way for the new beginners. As you see that the video of Kung Fu, here the coach, here the master is uh, telling the lad, telling the boy to a very common thing: put off your jacket and put on your jacket. And the boy is doing it almost 100 times. Then the boy cannot think, I have come here for learning Kung Fu, but the master is always giving me the same task: put off your jacket and put on in your jacket. What's this? Is it Kung Fu? But the master, when the boy was so angry and fused, and he was about to left the master, then the master came and fight with him, and he saw that what you have done, put off your jacket and put on your jacket, this simple process you have done for these days, for long time, for hundreds of time, but Kung Fu is hidden in that art, the art which you have applied to put off your jacket and put on your jacket, and the Kung Fu is hidden in that. And the master also told that whatever every day we do, whatever we have move our hands every day, hands and our body every day, if you utilize it very skillfully, that is the protection, that is the main thing. Do not ignore it, since it is very easy to put off your jacket and put on your jacket, very easy, but there is a learning, and there is a Kung Fu is hidden in that, the art of Kung Fu is hidden in that. So sometimes we think that writing a summary, what is its utility, everyone can do it, page posting, everyone can do it, every day I am what is the necessity of joining MMDC club, MMDC meeting every day, what is utility. So this is not the process. You have to come to the process. You have to come to the MMDC meeting almost every day, so that by listening the participant's speech, by listening the master's speech every day, when every day the same word, same thing is entering, penetrating in your mind, you will automatically grow and you will automatically learn unconsciously, and that is the effect. If you join the MMDC club every day, then after some time, and believe me, I am telling you the true fact is that I could not even speak. I could not even speak before joining this MMDC, and I had a great sorrow in my mind that I can't even speak in English. And now I am making video to you. And what is this? By what way I am doing that? I am not doing it well. I know it. I am not making video very good, but still I am doing it. I am trying to make it perfect. It is my training also, and so I do not miss MMDC if it is not hardly required from my personal, because I am a family man, and so I can skip the meeting by any reason. There are so many personal work, household work is there, but still I try to join the meeting every day, because I think that if I join, I may have some more thing. There may be something new, and so the participants' speech and our master Amit Sir's speech is there. Every day we are listening, and something may be enter in my mind, so that my fluency may be more improved. And this is the benefit of doing the same thing, same easy thing every day, day after day, day after day. Do not think that the same thing every day, what is utility? Not that. There is a great utility, and you will be learn it after some time. And as far as the topics today, I have already told the picture is 1,000 words, and as per the thinking of every person's, there is lot of difference of their opinion maybe, but it is the most important thing that everyone has been participated in the meeting, everyone had been spoken on that topics. That is the most important. Yes, content is also most important, but since we are assembled here, we are came here to learn English, to learn spoken English only. So it is important to speak on that topics, whether it is 1 minute or 30 seconds or 20 seconds, it may not, where it is 3 minutes, 4 minutes maybe, but you should try to join and speak on that meeting slowly or fast. It may be everyone's fluency is not equal, and so it is the amazing meet today, amazing session today, and the most important part is that the picture is really most conflicting, and you know that in our life problems will come. Those type of stones will come and go, and from my childhood there are so many great men in the world, like Kalam sir, our president. He faced a lot of problem in his childhood, but he did not. Those who have become the pinnacle of their success, they have faced lot of problems in their life, in initial life. They have made their shield in their later life, but initially some people may come from very poverty level, some come from very ignorant level, Do you know Sir Isaac Newton's life? Please go to Google. You see, the amazing fact is that Isaac Newton was really a orphan boy. His father died in his childhood, or someone told that when he was not get birth, but he was in his mother's womb. Then his father was died, and his father's name also Isaac Newton. His father's name only Newton. And Isaac Newton, after never seen his father's face, and the pathetic is that when Isaac Newton come to as a child, his mother married another person, and he was born and brought up in his grandmother's house, because his mother have already married to another person. And so the mother left him to his grandmother's house, and the grandmother was devoted him for cultivation, farming, cultivation, and roaming of the goats and ram, etc. But Isaac Newton was not like this. In his childhood, he tried to learn in the school, but it was a great dream to him to learn in a school. And so even his grandmother, that is his mother's mother house, and his grandmother tortured him so much, grandmother and grandfather, if he could not perform his duty in his childhood, roaming the goat, cow, goat, ram, and cultivating in the farming in the field, he should not get even food. He would not get even food, and his grandfather would beat him by hard sticks. So this was the childhood of Sir Isaac Newton, and he was even in the age of 5 and 6 years when he could not even join in a school, because all the prosperous neighbors, their boys or girls are going to school, but he is going to going to field for farming or roaming the sheep, etc. He was a deep, and he most of the time he was hunger and thirsty, because his grandmother and father could not even give me proper food if he neglect his duty. And in some time he had strong desire to learn himself, so he a long distance away, there is a school which is deals with by NGO to teach the street children. Those who have no any father and mother, those street children schools, he went for learning grammar, English grammar, and for that reason he neglected his duty, and for that reason he would not get food in the night time or in daytime. His grandfather would beat him. In this way, his childhood was just like an orphan boy. His mother was happily enjoying the married life, second marriage life, and there is also, his mother has also son after 6 to 7 years. In that way, the childhood of Sir Isaac Newton was so terrible that we can't imagine, really. And if you go to Google, if you search Google about the childhood of Sir Isaac Newton, you will be surprised and amazed. And in a time, he was suffering with so many disease and hunger. One of his uncle, that is his father's younger brother or something else like that, was seen that he is suffering from disease, and as well as he is thin, lean, and high fever. So he took in his house, but for that reason his grandmother and grandfather has given blame. But due to that, after some struggle, that uncle took the Isaac Newton to his control, to his family, and he put the boy in a school, and that is the beginning of Sir Isaac Newton. And Isaac Newton sometimes went to his mother's house also, because his mother married to the same village, same area, and you will be surprised that his mother also know that his previous son even cannot get any food, but he is lavishly spending his life with his new husband. And the pathetic thing is that after joining the Isaac Newton, he is gradually going to his best. Meritorious student also he was, and when he was Sir Isaac Newton, he becomes the Sir Isaac Newton. He had to look after his brother, the brother who was the son of his mother of this second marriage. And Isaac Newton never married because he had a strong dislike about women, because his mother betrayed him. And at times Isaac Newton wrote in his diary that he wanted to kill his mother and his second father. And so the problems in life will come and you have to overcome, and that is the message. If you if you run away, then it is not the solution. You have come to this world alone and you have to go alone. Thank you very much, my dear friend, for listening my videos, and thank you. I am giving you the guarantee that if you adhere with this association, your improvement, your fluency will gradually increase, and you have not do much, you have not to try much more. I do not try much. As Amit sir told that how many times you have to devote your for English. Frankly speaking, I do not devote anything, any time about English. Sometimes I devote my time in English, but not I devote my time much. I only depend on this meeting, on the chat, on all this. This is my asset, and thank you everyone. Good night. Thank you for listening my video. Thank you everybody, and I am giving you another guarantee that MNBC is such a platform that it will be shine, it will be grow after 2 years, 3 years. I think its future is very good. So just adhere, just attach with this association, join the meeting, speak on the topics every day, whatever it may be, and your fluency will be improved. It is guaranteed. Thank you.